And so we attended the conference, but then we attached 3 weeks on to our trip, and the Collaborative Alliance in Minnesota gave us a space in their offices. And for 3 weeks, we were pulled into every aspect of meetings, of everything.
So did you work with them on some of the cases that they handled?
Yes, I was sitting in as an observer, not as an observer. No one ever, subject to obviously clients' consent, and clients, there wasn't a single client who didn't consent. So I sat in with the child neutral specialists, whether they were going over a parenting plan or transition phases with young children to new homes, to every aspect. And I was blown away. I was absolutely blown away. And sorry if I get emotional now. When I left, we'd had a session. I left from a session to the airport to catch my flight back. And we had 3 young children, and it'd been a very difficult divorce. It was an ongoing difficult divorce. And on this huge whiteboard, drawing houses that they were looking at with their mom, where they might live and what their house looked like and what my house would look like. And there was a path drawn. And these children were able to see that this wasn't a terrifying aspect anymore. And the paths were joining, and it was so beautifully done by Saskia. And I left there and I was in tears. I was, because that's what I wanted for family law in South Africa. For me, that was where I wanted to be professionally, but I didn't know if it could become a reality in South Africa. But I was going to try.